So I think this is one of the first appearances of the Kia EV6 GT, the 577 horsepower monster version of the EV6 that I've already driven, and it's pretty amazing. Very, very nice to drive, nice to be aboard a vehicle with lots of cool tech. But this one is the monster performance version. I'm not really sure how they're differentiating it. I guess this front bumper is different. The bigger tires, the bigger brakes, the bigger wheels. But I think that in terms of its body, they haven't done any major changes. Around the back, the rear bumper is different. It's got an integrated diffuser type thing. Let me show it from the light side. So it's like a diffuser with some LED slats. Very cool, very, very cool. Oh, and the new Defender, is it 120 or 110? It's a massive looking thing. Look at that overhang. Anyway, EV6 GT. So as the figures suggest, this is ridiculously quick. I'm not gonna mention them again. It's most likely locked. It's being driven by Jade. Very cool. Let's see inside, let's see the seats. I think it's going on sale this year or something. I will definitely get to drive this car. Can't wait. I hope you can still turn off the electronic aids, which I know you can. And with the 577 horsepower, this should be a monster. I only drove the rear-wheel drive version of this and was impressed by how well it handled and by how well put together and well thought out it seemed. Yeah, anyway, really looking forward to driving this.